Hey, this is Moritz from Alby. In this video, I would like to show you how you can connect your Alby Hub wallet to AI agents using the Alby MCP server. You find all details on github.com/getalby/mcp for now. And what's particularly interesting about the Alby MCP server are basically two things. So on the one hand, it has knowledge of all major Lightning protocols to make Bitcoin payments like Nostr Wallet Connect, LNURL, L402, and it also makes use of some Alby SDK specific tooling. And on the other side, actually you don't need to have a developer setup on your computer running. You can spin up a MCP server locally, but you can also connect to the Alby hosted MCP server, to a remote server, and I would like to show you how you can do that using Claude. You can use Claude Web or install it on your desktop. Let's use Claude Web for now, so you can create an account, open a new chat, and the first thing you need to do is create a pro subscription, because only then Claude allows you to connect remote MCP servers. So we are on a pro plan here. And then to connect your hub, what you basically do is you go to settings, integrations, and add new integration. Let's call it Alby. We need the integration URL here, which you can find there in the instructions on GitHub. So now we need the encoded NWC URL. But let's look for the NWC URL first, which is basically the connection secret that you create in your Alby Hub. So you open your hub, navigate to connections, click on add connection, add a name, and click on next. And if you can copy that here, and then you have your NWC URL. However, we need the encoded one, but that's quite straightforward. So what you basically do is you open a browser window, right click, inspect, and then paste this command into the console. All right, so I got that. I replace it with the encoded NWC URL, and then I click already on add. That looks good. So let's go back to and create a new chat. So we can now, let's see if it worked. What's my balance? So Claude asks me to use an external integration. I can allow that. It asks for the balance of my Alby Hub. And here you see the current balance, it's 1.8 million sats. That's nice. So what tools are actually available? So it's not only the balance, it's a bunch of them. So for example, I can make an invoice, I can pay an invoice, get the balance, but I can also, for example, request an invoice to pay to a Lightning address. So let's do that in the same chat here. Send 21 sats to hello@getalby.com. Allow that one to request an invoice. And now it pays an invoice to the specified Lightning address. And here we go. Cool, the payment was successful. We've sent 21 sats to hello@getalby.com. And that's it. Super easy to connect your Alby Hub to an AI agent and interact with it, for example, via chat, and whatever you can do with it, feel free to explore.